His rocket makes you yell, hooray! Who's the best in every way and wants to sing his song to say? Who's your friend who likes to play bing bong, bing bong?
Bing, 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 bong. China. Bing, bing, bong. Obamacare. Bing, 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 bong, 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 bong. Get those lights off. Bing, 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 bong. Bing, bing, bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong. Bing, 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 bong, bong. Bing, bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong. Bing, bing, bong. Bing, 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 bong. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bong.
And I need you.
Bing, 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 bong.
And I miss you.
Bing, 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 bong. Bing, 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 bong. Bing, 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 bong. Bing, bing, bing.
Okay, sorry for not talking before. My family was still sleeping and I didn't want to wake anyone up. But yes, this is the final makeup look. So what I did is I actually used face paint for all of this, and the face paint that I got was from Michaels and it was like $4. And if you go to Michaels, they always have like 40%, 50% off coupons, so you could get it for super cheap. And I literally just applied it with a Q-tip, and it does come with like an applicator thing, but yeah, whatever. I used Q-tips, then I just did eyeliner, put on the fake lashes and red lipstick. And I used the face paint to put my eyebrows on as well. I have dark eyebrows, so you could kind of see through it a bit, but whatever. Bing Bong, he has sparkles in his cotton candy tummy, so you can't really see it, but I put on some highlighter there. And then for this stuff, he cries candy tears, so I thought I would just put some gems on the side as a representation of that. Also, he is an elephant and his trunk is a heart, so I have a little heart right there. So yeah. So now to put on the outfit.
Bing, 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 bong, bong, bing, 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 bong.
Okay, so I forgot to mention before, but the reason I did the yellow and orange is because he is part tabby cat, and I don't have yellow and orange tights, and that's where he has it, on his legs. So I just incorporated that into my makeup. He's made out of cotton candy, so I have this pink little cotton candy wig. I got this hat and this jacket from Goodwill. And then this bow tie is my brother's. He actually wears a purple bow tie, but I was like, whatever, blue is close enough. I made this little flower literally out of paper, and then I painted each color. And then the middle, I wanted to make it like more 3D and like shiny looking, so I just put hot glue on it and flattened it. And then I just duct taped it because I didn't want to ruin this jacket because it's super cute. And then I have this yellow little balloon, and that is because the first time you meet Bing Bong, he is stealing the happy memories with Riley, so here is a happy memory. Also, you can't really see from there, but underneath I have a petticoat to make my skirt more fluffy because he is fluffy cotton candy. So yeah, and then for shoes, I just have these wedges because they're super comfy to walk in, and they're light colored, and his feet are yellow, which is a light color. So yeah, and I didn't have yellow shoes, but yeah. So that is my first ever Disney bound. I hope you guys enjoyed it.